In the heart of the dense and vibrant jungles of Central America, the Mayan civilization thrived for over 2,000 years. Their world was a complex tapestry woven from architectural marvels, astronomical achievements, and intricate social structures. But by the end of the first millennium, the once flourishing society began to decline, leaving behind immense stone temples, now shrouded in mystery and enigma. The question of why the Mayan civilization collapsed has intrigued historians and archaeologists for generations. This narrative explores the theories and mysterious remnants that have survived the test of time, drawing us into the shadowy corridors of the ancient Mayan jungle temples. We begin with the soaring pyramids, towering monoliths standing sentinel over the thick canopy of trees. These structures once served as places of worship and astronomical observation. The Mayans were skilled architects, their knowledge of the cosmos imprinted on the way they aligned their temples with celestial bodies. These architectural feats, covered in creeping vines and surrounded by the wildlife-occupied expanse, whisper tales of past splendors and great ceremonies held in honor of their god-kings. Amid the ruins, echoes of the bustling city life can still be imagined. The grand plazas where merchants would have sold vibrant textiles and pottery, the ball courts where men competed in a game as ritualistic and significant as life itself, now lie silent. Central to the Mayan existence was their astonishing grasp of time, displayed through their sophisticated calendar systems. But around the 9th century CE, the boom towns began emptying. Was it due to internal strife or possibly environmental changes? Some believe that drought, exacerbated by deforestation and unsustainable practices, might have led to agricultural shortfalls and starvation. The dense jungle, reclaiming once fertile plots, could have turned against its own inhabitants. Other scholars point to the possibility of warfare. As competition for scarce resources intensified, mighty city-states, such as Tikal and Kalakmul, could have been locked in deadly conflict, depleting their resources through endless battles and political intrigue. Furthermore, the allure of new spiritual paths might have contributed to the decline. Charismatic leaders preaching reform or the promise of a new power could have unsettled the delicate balance of theocratic rule, leading to uprisings and further destabilization. As the sun sets on the jungle horizon, our exploration draws to a close. The true reason behind the fall remains hidden amidst the shadowy undergrowth and towering temples. What secrets lie locked within these jungle-clad ruins? Although the cities fell silent, the enigmatic allure of the Mayan civilization continues to capture our imagination, holding answers that may yet illuminate one of history's most fascinating mysteries. Thus, the story of the jungle temples inspires those who dare to uncover its secrets, inviting generations to walk their ancient pathways and ponder the fate of a once great civilization.